is you're gonna get your sticky bumps and you're gonna, hold on 1 second. You're gonna start off by making diagonal, or you first off you shave off your board like so. Like you shape where you want the wax to be. And then you're gonna start going diagonal, like so. And then you're gonna do the opposite. You're gonna turn over your board. Ooh. Like so. And then you're gonna do the same thing. You always want to use the sharpest point to do this for the diagonal steps. And then turn it over again. And just do another, like, do it the same way, but a different, like, the other side diagonal. So start from the top and then go up to bottom. And you do the same thing. You do the same. And you flip it over. And then you just do the same thing like so. And then what you would want to do is to grab your sex wax. Couldn't even get that. But anyway, get your sex wax. Yeah. And then you want to start doing circles. Just like across the whole board. And you would want to do it super lightly. And then you're gonna grab the bottom of this and I'm just gonna shape it across. Times just to get that perfect and smooth layout. And that should be it. So that is the end of the video, and if you would want to see the soft top, like the video and make sure to subscribe and share all your friends and family about this channel to help us out and keep posting. So that's it. Bye.